Look at Papa. We are buying some grocery. What is that? This store. Hold it. Okay.
Saan ito, Mi?
Look at Papa.
Nakatami mo pa.
We're in the shopping center. We're shopping. That one is better because there's music. This is the music. You wanna go there? Okay.
So they didn't say anything. Just talk and talk.
Okay. Okay. This.
Ayan, Mi, ang tingnan ko.
Okay.
Castle.
Germany siguro rin yan. Maraming yung pinuntahan.
Ang laki kasi ng Germany. France is very big.
Yung ano doon, yung island doon, pinunta natin, meron pang pinunta. Yung vacation house ng King. Kasi vacation house of the King.
Vacation house.
Yeah, summer house, summer home. Meron pa diyang peacock eh. Ganda-ganda ng peacock.
Peacock.
Tail. Oh, look at Papa. Music. Music.
Ano pa nga ang pinang-boat yata?
Look at Papa. Say nice. Okay, okay, I'll just follow you. Wow, Mommy. She is very good now. Look at that. Oh,
Wow!
hey.
Expert!
Oh,
Expert! Wow!
driver now.
Turn on the light.
She's a good driver. Sus. Come back. Back to Papa. Back to Papa.
Ano yan? Isa pang island
Back
yan
to
eh.
Papa.
Hindi ba makatong ang mga ano yung mari?
Wow, she drives fast.
Bilis!
Galing.
Sa park.
Galing
Ano
ng
na, wala na
baby.
tourist.
This is good now. Wow, look at that. How fast that is.